Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to use bullets and numbers on Google Doc. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add bullets and numbers on Google Doc, just select your lines where you want to add bullets and numbers. I am selecting some lines here, and now click on format. Here you will find and button bullets and numbers, and here you can add numbers listed menu. I am selecting the numbers has been added. If you want to add bullets, again click on format and then click on bullets and numbers and go to bulleted list menu, and you can choose bullets from here. I am selecting bullets. The bullets are added, and if you want add another sentence, just click here and look, another bullet has been added. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.